अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम जो सब इंस्पेक्टर का पेपर हुआ है वो डिस्कस करेंगे। फर्स्ट MCQs, विच इज़ द न्यूवेस्ट कंट्री टू ज्वाइन यूरोजोन। सो इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन था बल्गेरिया। नेक्स्ट इज़ द बेबीलोन इज़ द ओल्ड नेम ऑफ विच कंट्री, इराक। व्हाट इज़ द एंटोनिम ऑफ डिप्लीट। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन रेप्लिनिश। Where are horses kept? So stable. Where are rabbits kept? Hutch. Next, who works for women's rights? So ये वन वर्ड में से आया, वन वर्ड जो MCQs होते हैं। Feminist. Next, who always look at the dark side of everything? Pessimist. Next is who is the person who knows everything. So omniscient. Next is what does the idiom face the music mean. Correct option था to accept the consequences of one's actions. Next MCQs था what does the idiom bury the hatch mean. To make peace or end a quarrel. Next MCQ, what does the idiom call a spade mean. To speak frankly and truthfully. Next MCQ is what does the idiom to be in hot water mean. So answer tha to be in trouble or difficulty. Next, to nip in the bud means to stop something at an early stage. Next MCQs, what does the idiom a red letter day mean. A very happy or important day. Next, what is the antonym of callous. So compassionate and sensitive. Next MCQs, what is the synonym of human. Kind, compassionate. Next, what is the synonym of obdurate. So stubborn. Next, what is the antonym of luscious. So tasteless or unappetizing. Next MCQs, what is the antonym of baggy. So tight or fitted. Next, what does make hay while the sun shines mean. Take advantage of an opportunity while it lasts. Next, what does hole and corner mean. Sacred and dishonest activity. Next, what is synonym of rebate. So correct option discount. Next, what does VPN stand for and what it is used for. Virtual private network used for secure and private internet browsing. Next था what does SSL stand for. Secure socket layer used to secure data transfer over the internet. Next था what does DMS stand for. Data management system या document management system. Next, what is the file extension of MS Word 2016. So .docx. Next, what is the file extension of MS Excel 2016. .xlx. Next, what is the shortcut key to paste text or image. Option था Ctrl+V. Next, what is the function of format painter in MS Word or PowerPoint. To copy formatting from one place and apply it to another. Next, what is the function of watermark in MS Word. To insert faint background text or images on pages for confidently or style. Next, which tab is used to insert a chart in MS Excel. Next, which key or tab is used to insert chart in PowerPoint. Insert tab. What is the function of draft folder in Gmail. It stores unsent or incomplete emails temporarily. What is the function of forward option in Gmail. To send or receive emails to another recipient. Next, what protocol is used for sending email. So SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Next, what is the function of presenter view in PowerPoint. It allows the presenter to view notes, upcoming slides and control during presentation. Next, what is the function of VLOOKUP in Excel. It searches for value in one column and return a corresponding value from one another column. Next, what is the function of concatenate in Excel? It joins or combines multiple text strings into one cell. Next, what is the function of macros in MS Word? To record and automate repetitive tasks or actions. Next, what is the function of bookmarks in MS Word? To mark specific places in document for quick navigation. Next is what is the function of outline in MS Word? To organize document headings and subheadings hierarchically for structure. Next, how can you insert a hyperlink in PowerPoint? First is by using insert link, फिर hyperlink option था. Next is what is the function of freezing panes in Excel? It locks rows or columns so they remain visible while scrolling. Next, MCQs. Phishing email mean a fake email designed to steal personal or financial information. Next, when was Organization of Islamic Cooperation founded? 1969. Which pass connect Pakistan and China? Khanjra Pass. Next, which river flows through Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? So Kabul River. Next, what was the first satellite launched by Pakistan? Badr 1 launched in 1990. Next, which countries are member of G7? USA, UK, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan. Next, what is the opposite of habitual, unusual, irregular? Next, what is the meaning of Urdu idiom नमक पाशी करना? जख्म पर नमक छिड़कना, किसी के दुख को मज़ीद बढ़ाना. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ हजामत बनवाना, बाल या दाढ़ी कटवाना, टू गेट शेव्ड और हेयर कट. व्हाट आर चूंकि और क्योंकि इन ग्रामर? दे आर हरूफ इल्लत, कंजक्शंस और रीजनिंग वर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज़ द सिनोनिम ऑफ caused? So brought about. Next, what is the synonym of uncivilized? Savage or barbaric. Next, he is covered. He is covered. Next, what does maiden mean? Unmarried woman, first as in maiden voyage or speech. Who invented the Berliner paper size system? Karl Berliner, German inventor who designed the Berliner paper format. Next, who is the president of Oxford University for 20 Muslim जो था मूसा हिराज.